morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the skincare products which were trending on Instagram last week. So if you have been thinking of buying any of those skincare products, I would say it's really safe to go ahead and purchase those skincare products, because when something is trending on Instagram, that means those skincare products have been tried and tested by many skincare experts including me, and hopefully you won't be disappointed with your purchase. So those of you who are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Anna. I am a cosmetic nurse. I make 2 videos a week, every Tuesday and every Saturday. My videos are mainly around skincare products, health and fitness. And if you want to learn my tips, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon and you will never miss out on another video. So without any further ado, let's start. So on number 5, we have got Australian Pink Clay Mask from Alia Skin. Alia Skin is an Australian owned company started by 2 blogs, Manny Barbas and James Hatcham. They did a lot of research because they wanted to create a clay mask which was suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin and including people who suffer from eczema and rosacea. So that's how they came up with this Australian pink clay mask, and apparently this is a really good product. It really smooths your skin. It does not strip off your skin's natural oils. It's really detoxifying. It brightens up your skin. It helps your skin fight the environmental pollutants, and it also helps if you suffer from acne and redness. And this Australian pink clay mask comes in 120 grams of tub, and it costs around $49.95 here in Australia, and it's available in all Priceline pharmacies here in Australia. So on number 4, we have got Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum from very well-known brand Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is a Korean beauty and skincare brand. They are very famous for making their skincare products from the fruit. Most of their skincare products are powered by fruit and designed to bring out your inner glow. How exciting is that? This brand is very well known for their beautiful textures, colorful packaging and innovative ingredients. Their Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum was trending on Instagram whole last week. Lot of skincare experts were talking about that, and I heard a lot of good things about this serum. So if you guys have been thinking of buying this serum, please go ahead and invest into that. You won't be disappointed, because I heard a lot of good things about this Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum from Glow Recipe. So this serum comes in 30 mils of packaging and costs around $64 here in Australia. It's available at all Mecca stores Australia wide. So on number 3, we have got the Inky List. The Inky List is a British brand which is gaining popularity worldwide. Inky List is famous for their skincare products because their skincare products are designed to treat various skin concerns, and they pay a lot of attention to their ingredient list. Altogether, they have got 19 products in their collection, and all 19 products are designed to tackle various skin concerns. So the Inky List has got 2 products which were trending on Instagram last week. First, their Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and second one is Retinol. Everybody on Instagram was talking about their hyaluronic acid and their retinol. Apparently everybody used them and everybody loved those skincare products. I don't think I heard anything negative about their retinol or about their hyaluronic acid serum. So their hyaluronic acid serum comes in 30 ml of packaging and costs around $12 here in Australia, and their retinol comes in again 30 ml of packaging and costs around $15 here in Australia, and they are available on Sephora. But unfortunately, when I was looking at Sephora website in Australia, all of these products were sold out. So guys, if you want to buy hyaluronic acid and retinol from the Inky List, you have to be patient because they are totally sold out in Australia. So on number 2, we have got niacinamide 10% and zinc 1% serum from our beloved brand The Ordinary. The Ordinary is a Canadian brand very well known for their innovative skincare products. Most of their skincare products are designed to tackle various skin concerns. Another really good thing about The Ordinary is this brand is easily accessible. It's available everywhere and it's a very wallet friendly brand. Everybody on Instagram was talking about this niacinamide serum. Pretty much everybody in the skincare community, including me, has used this niacinamide serum and everybody loved this product. There were nothing negative which I could find about this niacinamide serum. Niacinamide is basically designed if you have got oily and acne prone skin and your skin is congested. Niacinamide is really helpful. It also helps to brighten up your skin if you suffer from blemishes and dark spots, and niacinamide is also very hydrating. So this serum was very popular on Instagram last week, and it's available at all Priceline pharmacies, Adore Beauty, Ride.com and Amazon Australia. It comes in 30 mils of packaging and costs around $9.90 here in Australia. I absolutely love this product. So on number 1, we have got Green Tea Fresh Toner from my favorite brand Isnt Tree. Isnt Tree is a Korean skincare brand. It is very well known for their ingredients which are plant-based and very natural. Brand uses only the ingredients which are safe to use on your skin and which has got proven efficacy. This Green Tea Fresh Toner was trending on Instagram like anything last week. All the skincare experts or in the skincare community, everybody bought this toner, everybody used this toner, and I heard a lot of positive things about this toner. This is a beautiful product designed for oily and combination skin. This toner has got really beautiful ingredients which are really calming and which are really soothing. It has got 80% of green tea extracts. That means it's really good antioxidant which is going to help your skin fight the environmental pollutants. It's also going to help to brighten up your skin. Plus it has got Centella asiatica, a beautiful ingredient with lots of benefits. Centella asiatica is an anti-inflammatory ingredient and it's also a beautiful anti-aging ingredient. Apart from that, this toner also has got allantoin. Allantoin is really calming and really soothing. So if you have got breakouts, acne, and your skin is feeling a little bit red, a little bit raw, a little bit angry, allantoin is gonna help your skin calm down. So a lot of beautiful ingredients in this green tea fresh toner. Then again, because this is a really popular product, sold out in Australia, but at the moment bonic.com.au has this product in stock and it comes in 120 ml of packaging and costs around $29 here in Australia. So this was our number 1 product which was trending on Instagram like anything last week.